Okay, this is the lesson for Course 3, Lesson 1-2, Integers and Absolute Values. Here are the notes that I would like you to take over this section tonight. And here we go with them. First of all, for our vocabulary, two numbers are opposites if they are the same. Distance from 0 on a number line, but in opposite directions. All right. Integers are defined as the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Zero is its own opposite. So we do include 0 in this set. And finally, absolute value is a number's distance from 0 on the number line. Okay, so those are the terms that you should know very well as soon as we finish with this section. Okay, looking at our examples, finding absolute value. We want to find the absolute value of -2. These two bars are the absolute value symbol, so we want to go ahead and anytime you see that, you know that you are using absolute value there. Okay, so the absolute value of -2, if you find -2 on the number line, we see that it is 2 units away from 0. On the number line, -2 is 2 units away from 0. This means that the absolute value of -2 is 2. Very straightforward there. Okay. Comparing and ordering integers. If we want to order the integers -7, 5, and -4 from least to greatest, a number line can be helpful if you'll plot each of these points. So -7, -4, and +5. Okay, basically the way that they lay out on the number line from left to right is actually least to greatest. So this would be -7 because it's the furthest from 0. -4, and then +5. Okay. All right. Pretty straightforward on that, I believe. Finally, for example number 3, we have the absolute value in algebraic expressions. So we can actually use the absolute value symbol in expressions when we evaluate. The absolute value symbol actually acts as a grouping symbol. So when you go through this, keep that in mind. So we want to evaluate the absolute value of 6a minus 10 for a equal to -7. So basically I'm going to substitute in -7 for a. Okay, and then that's going to give me 6 times -7. Or the absolute value of 6 times -7. 6 times -7 is -42, if you'll recall your rules for multiplying with integers. So I work within grouping symbols first, and then I multiply. So now I'm ready to find the absolute value. The absolute value of -42 is 42, because it's 42 units away from 0 on the number line. And subtract 42 minus 10 is 32. So the answer, when I evaluate this expression at -7, is 32. I would now like you to complete the 3 quick check items Have those ready for discussion in class tomorrow morning, and include, also bring in any questions you might have as well, and we will continue then. Thank you.